you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
What is up, everybody? I am Mr. Clark Griswold. You can follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. Welcome to the video. This is your watch list, your playlist, your setups for January 13th, 2022. Let's get right to it. So, the first one we're going to look at is BNTX. It's BioNTech. What we have is a double inside bar. So what you guys are going to want to do is take the high of this inside bar here, and if it breaks that, we're at about 221.17. If it breaks the high of that, we're going to jump in with calls, and if it breaks the low of 214.12, we're going to jump into that with puts. Next one, ATVI, Activision Blizzard's gaming company. We have another inside bar, so I put these pink lines on here for you guys for a little bit more clear picture of what we're looking at. So again, we have another inside bar. If we break 65.55, we're going long. 63.81, we're going short. Next one is Colgate Palmolive Company. Another inside bar. Again, we're looking at 83.32. If we break that, we're going long. Break the low of 82.55, we're going short. That's the inside bar there. Next one, Pfizer Pfe. We have another inside bar. We break the high of 57.17. We are going long. 55.90. We are going short. PG, that's Procter & Gamble. Another inside bar. Again, we have the pink lines there. 159.36 is the day's high today. We break that. We're going long. We break the low, we are shorting this thing, buying puts. Next one up, Peloton Interactive, another inside bar. 37.14 to the high, we go long. We break 34.45, we are shorting this thing. Next one, PayPal, another inside bar. What do we got here? 191.45. We are going long, and 185.32. We are shorting this thing. We're buying puts. Next one on the list, T-Doc inside bar, breaking the high of 87.87. We are going long, and 81.48. We are buying puts. Uber, another inside bar here. 44.10 long and 42.54. We are taking this thing short. VRM Vroom Inc. We have another inside bar here. And again, this thing breaks 980. We're going long. 918. We are shorting. I usually don't like to trade stocks that are under 20 bucks, which would be this one, but it's on the list today. Etsy, let's move into the outside bars now. So Etsy has an outside bar. It breaks 187.96. We are going long, and we are shorting this at 174.81. Now, the day, the week, the month are all showing red. Very good chance this thing goes red, and you might be looking at targets of around 169.55. I don't think we quite hit the broadening formation line here at 166. American Airlines. Now this is a powerful pattern. So we've got a 113 set up. So the three previous days we've got an inside bar followed by another inside bar, which is consolidation, and then an outside bar. Nobody knows which way they want to take this thing, higher or lower, bulls or bears. But tomorrow, if it breaks 19.25, we are going long. 18.36, we're buying puts. Moderna, COVID play, another outside bar, and another really powerful pattern we have setting up here. So the last 4 days, we've got an inside bar followed by an outside bar, followed by another inside bar, followed by an outside bar. So this pattern on the Strat would be a 1-3-1-3. Now, tomorrow morning, we break 228.52. We are going long. 218.92. We are buying puts and shorting this thing. GS, Goldman Sachs Group. Again, another 1-3-1-3, inside bar, outside, inside, outside. Another powerful pattern. So we break 404.21 to the high side. We're going long. 388.59, buying puts. ROKU, outside bar. 190.86, right here we are going long. We break the low here of 177.07. We are going short. We're buying puts. Morgan Stanley. Here we are again. We touch the top of that broadening formation at 106.47. We break that. We're going long. 102.36. We break that. We are buying puts. BAC, Bank of America. So again, we've got, moving into reversals now, RevStrat. So a lot of times what will happen on an inside bar, when we break to one side, it'll reverse the following day. Not all the time, but we're playing probabilities here. So I've set my pink line here. It's a 1 with a 2 up. Look tomorrow for this to head in a downward trend, and if we break 48.69, we're buying puts on the RevStrat Down. Next one, Disney. I love Disney. My kids love Disney. What do we got here for Disney? We got another RevStrat. So we've got a 1, an inside bar, followed by a 2 up. We can look for a reversal here. If this crosses 156.36, we're in with puts. DLTR, that's Dollar Tree, another RevStrat. Inside bar, followed by a 2 up. And we're looking for 136.07 for the break down. We're buying puts. JP Morgan, same thing, another RevStrat. We're looking at 167.18 going down, buying puts. Oracle, another RevStrat, same thing. We're looking at 87.81 here. If we break that, again, we're buying puts. Lululemon, again, RevStrat. We broke the high of the inside bar today, and we can look for a possible downtrend tomorrow on the reversal. We're not forcing anything. If it breaks, we're playing it. If it doesn't, see you next time. MasterCard, same thing, RevStrat Down. So we have a 1 followed by a 2 up. This thing breaks 367.31. We are in it with puts. So that's the playlist. I guess there is one other one we can look at here. Which is SPY. We can look for a reversal on SPY with a 2 up, 2 down. One other thing we'll look at with SPY, let's go to the 3-minute chart, because I love playing the 3 and the 5-minute every day. Today was a little trickier on this one just because we had this big bar going up. And then we had this big bar coming down. And with the way that price action was moving, I didn't jump in. So normally on the 3, you would have jumped in below this candle. This is the first 3-minute bar. This red one is the second one. So as soon as you break the low of this first candle, you're in. And you probably would have made some pretty good money if you would have been in. And then following that, you've got an outside bar followed by an inside bar, a 3-1 pattern, and you could have ridden this thing all the way up, and that's a big gain. You're looking at probably 1, 2, 3 to 1, maybe a 4 to 1 gain there. So these 3-1s and 1-3s are really, really powerful balls. Here's a 1-3 inside bar followed by an outside bar, and again, we break that low and we are gone. Look at this. Big money to be made there. I didn't play either one of these, but there is big money to be made there when you're playing puts and calls with options. One other thing I wanted to do with you guys is go back and just look at the plays from yesterday, January 12th. And we can look at Lucid here on the daily. There we go. So Lucid, this would have been a RevStrat going in today, and we would have probability would have said it would have gone down. It didn't. It went up, but it also didn't cross that line, so we didn't play that. Walmart had an inside bar. You could have taken this. You would have had to pull profits really quick. This probably would have got stopped out on Walmart. AXP, I'm just going to go through these really quick, guys. AXP, you had a 3-1 setup. So again, these are a powerful pattern, and if you would have jumped in at the high of the previous bar, this inside bar, and you could have ridden it up to here, your target would have been right about here, 176.16, and you would have hit that and taken profit. Netflix. What did we have on Netflix? So Netflix was an inside bar. This bar here and this bar here had the same highs of the day, so they do call this an inside bar. I don't normally play those, and you probably would have got stopped out because you barely crossed the high of this green bar here, and it came right back down, so that probably would have been a loss. BIDU, now we opened up above the high. So again, I wouldn't have played this. It's a gapper. There are ways to play gaps. We're not going to talk about those right now, but I wouldn't have played this as the high of this outside bar being my trigger. I would have been out of that play. KDP, Keurig Dr. Pepper. Again, you would have had a winner here. We break the high of this outside bar of 37.90, and you could have taken it for some nice profits. Hertz. So we had a 2 up, and we were looking for a 2 down reversal there. We didn't get it, but we do have an inside bar, and that is one of our plays for tomorrow. And then we have Alcoa Corporation. Again, we had an inside bar. We broke to the low of that inside bar yesterday, and we would have been looking for a reversal today, and that's exactly what we got. So we would have opened up here, and again, I probably wouldn't have played Alcoa just because we opened so high. The high of the day was here, and we ended up way down here at the close, so that's not something I would have played in the morning, but there are ways to play gaps. Anyways, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching the second video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have questions, make sure to comment below. I'll answer them for you. You can DM me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the video, so again, you get all the videos and the updates every day. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.